Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of digital marketing. Whether you are just getting started or you are curious about how digital marketing can transform your career or business, stick with me. I am going to break down everything you need to know on the step-by-step basis. Let's get started. Yeah. Before we jump into the details, let's take a moment to understand what marketing is. At its core, marketing is about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and convincing them why they should choose your product or service. Now, when we talk about digital marketing, we are simply taking this idea to the online world. It's all about promoting products or services through digital channels like search engines, social media, emails, websites, and apps. So instead of putting up a billboard, we create targeted ads on Google or Instagram. It's basically marketing but happening online. So, why should you learn digital marketing? Let me tell you, it's one of the most valuable skills you can have today. Companies of all sizes are always looking for digital marketers to grow their online presence, which means there are plenty of career opportunities out there. But it's not just about getting a job. You can use these skills to build your own business or promote your personal brand. Whether you want to start a side hustle, grow your YouTube channel, or help a business get noticed online, digital marketing is a key to making it happen. Imagine having the power to drive traffic, attract leads, and turn visitors into loyal customers, all by using digital marketing techniques. Now, let's talk about the different parts of digital marketing. It's not just one thing, it's a whole mix of strategies and techniques that work together. Here is a quick breakdown for you. Search engine marketing. SEM focuses on increasing your visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. It includes paid advertising, known as pay per click, where you pay to show up at the top of search results. It also involves organic methods, which is what we call as search engine optimization (SEO), where you improve your website to rank higher naturally without paying for ads. Social media marketing. SMM uses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to engage with your audience. You can grow your brand through organic posts or use paid ads to reach even more people. Content marketing. Content is the heart of digital marketing. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, great content is what drives engagement. This content not only helps you attract an audience but also builds trust and credibility with them. Email marketing. Email marketing is like having a direct line to your audience's inbox. It's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and building long-term relationship with your customers. Affiliate marketing. This is where you earn money by promoting other people's products. You share a link and if someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a commission. It's a great way to earn passive income. Here is the thing. Content marketing is the foundation of all these strategies. Whether you're focusing on SEO, social media, or email marketing, it all starts with creating valuable content that your audience loves. Good content drives every action from attracting visitors to converting them into customers. I promise to guide you through each of these sections from the basics to the advanced techniques. We will explore each strategy step by step. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills, you will get everything you need to become a digital marketing expert. If you are serious about learning digital marketing the right way, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I will be bringing you a lot of valuable content to help you master these skills. The next video, we are going to start with SEO. We will dive deep into what it takes to rank higher on Google and attract more visitors to your site. I am really excited to guide you through this journey. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. See you soon in the next video.